uploading data to Pioneer. First, log into your account. We ask you to export from your sewer inspection software a NASCO Exchange database that's an MDV file, version 6 or version 7, and any videos you want to provide to Pioneer. Then, click the blue Upload Files button in the left-hand navigation. At that point, you're asked first to provide a project or batch name. Typically, that would be something like the customer, a PO number, and perhaps a date, or however you wish to identify it. Then you need to select the parent folder that contains your exported database and videos. We can handle multiple databases at once, but prefer you provide one as it will prevent any data confusion. Select the parent folder that contains that information. In my case, on my desktop, I have a folder called Purchase Order 1234 Data. Inside that folder, you'll see there's a NASCO Exchange database ending in MDB and a folder full of videos. By pointing at the parent folder and clicking the Select button, our system will scan that folder. At that point, we read the database and find 2 inspections and provide some basic identifying information. They're checked green because they match the media or videos we expect to find. 2 videos and 2 inspections will now be uploaded to Pioneer to this project. All I have to do is click the blue Upload button and the upload will begin. We take smaller files like the database or text distance files first, and then we begin uploading the videos. Depending on the data you're providing and your bandwidth, this can take a short or long time. We have a number of fail-safes in place to allow for reloads and restarts, but we do request, if possible, that you don't close this browser tab or turn off your computer. After a few minutes, once the data is in place, it will begin to appear in Pioneer.